Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside Outlook or Teams where tasks lives, sign in so your lists sync. Create or choose a task list to keep things focused. Next, tap the plus new task button and enter a concise title. Add a due date and priority so you can sort later. Once done, assign tags or steps sparingly. They help filter and structure work. Make sure to save immediately. Autosave may lag if your connection drops. Now you build the tasks meet. Add detailed descriptions and use steps for multi-step actions so nothing is lost. Once done, set reminders and repeat rules for recurring work. Assign tasks to teammates when collaboration is needed and include notes about expectations. Make sure to flag or add to my day for priority items so they appear front and center. Also, use labels or buckets to group by project or context, which keeps lists scannable and actionable. Finish tasks by marking them complete and move finished work to archive or delete lists you no longer need to reduce clutter. If items don't sync, force refresh the app or sign out and sign back in to re-establish sync. Make sure you're online. Once done, use filters and search to surface overdue or hidden tasks quickly. Finally, if a task's assignments look wrong, reassign and add a comment explaining the change so everyone stays aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.